Hello, people of the internet. It is day 5 out of 6 that we're here. We are going hiking / walking to this place called Snoqualmie Falls.
Lighthouse towers, the sun upon that place. Darling, I'll grow weary, happy still with just the memory of your face. Gracious goes a ghost of you, and I will never forget the plans and the silhouettes you drew me. Gracious goes a ghost of you, my
What?
Snoqualmie Falls.
Snoqualmie
Falls.
Oh, falls. It does sound like I'm saying like we said, is the last day that we're here, and what a great way to end our trip. I think that was absolutely breathtaking, beautiful. I didn't care about the rain. I was just telling Kayla how alive that I feel, and I just am so happy to have ended our trip this way. It was so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. But yeah, we're really grateful to have had this time together. And just this time with nature and with all this history we've seen over the past weekend. We do get on a plane tomorrow afternoon. And we will see you guys next time.
Make sure you subscribe to us if you're not already subscribed.
Because we put out new videos every single Wednesday. And we will see you next Wednesday. Bye.
If it hurts and you can't take no more, lay it all on me. No, you don't have to keep it under lock and key, 'cause I will never let you down. And if you can't escape all your uncertainties, baby, I can show you how.